Alright YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Wingstop. Happy back at you guys in another video. On today's video, we do have another sneaker unboxing. As you can tell by the box, you guys probably know what this is already. There are some reviews on YouTube already, but I figured I should give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions of this shoe. And I wanted to give you a comparison to the Shatter Backboard 3.0 that I also picked up. We did get two Jordan 1 releases back-to-back weekends. So I want to see which one you guys think is better in person and which one you guys think I should keep for personal. I'm definitely not keeping both of these shoes. I am leaning towards keeping one, but I'll let you guys know after I get through this video which one I'm keeping. But yeah, let me know in the comments below which one you like better. But yeah, before we get into this unboxing and give you guys my thoughts and opinions, please hit that like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram down below in the description. See how I style my sneakers and outfits. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. Shout out to Nike though, they really killed the packaging with these. As you can see, special Jordan 1 box. It's red and black instead of the overall box being black with the red Nike. It's a different colored box, which I like, and a different sizing label as well. There's a look at the sizing tag. Size 10.5, Air Jordan 1 High OG Fearless, white, black, university blue. Retail is $160, and did come with this Fearless card as well. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Now this is because Michael Jordan said this at his 2009 Hall of Fame speech. So this shoe is in honor of that speech. That's why Nike did this. And you also do get some Fearless paper as well. That says the quote all over it throughout. So really nice job by Nike. Gave us some extra branding or some extra goods to go with the shoe. And they didn't end up charging us like $175. Usually when they do that, they charge $175. They kept that to $160. And yeah, my box came a little damaged, but that's not really a big deal at all because we don't wear the box. But anyways, let's just get right into the shoe. And bang bang, here they are. The Air Jordan 1 High OG Fearless in the patent leather with the Carolina blue in the back, Chicago on the front toe cap. Now, interesting thing about this shoe is in 2003, Jordan brand actually released a bunch of Air Jordan 1 mids with the same cut patent leather, Air Jordan 1 mid, and they actually used this same Wings logo. So Nike went back to, or Jordan went back to this Wings logo they used on the 2003 pair, and they put it on this one. As you can see, the laces are dingling around. It is nice. They did give us 4 pairs of laces with these. There's a white pair on the inner. Let me pull that one out. There's the white, and then you got the red, university blue, and the black already laced in. Now I'm just gonna look at this shoe because I don't want the laces dingling around, but there we go. And on this shoe, you can see the Fear tag. As you can see, Fear on front, flip it and dip it, and you got that quote Michael Jordan said at the Hall of Fame speech. So I think this is real nice. If I do rock these, I would probably take the hang tag off though. But like I said, it is a nice touch overall. And speaking of the Fearless branding, once again, we got the Fearless, we got the quote running through the insole all throughout the shoe, so that's nice. But anyways, main point of the shoe is that you got the red patent leather on front and the university blue patent leather on the back with the white Nike swoosh, white patent leather throughout. Now, I don't really like patent leather Air Jordan 1s, as I previously have stated. These do look super flashy. I do like these in hand, I'm not gonna lie. I think they look super dope. The patent leather sure makes them pop. The one thing I hate about patent leather, especially Air Jordan 1s, is pretty much what everyone thinks, is that when you wear these, they're gonna look so bad because Jordan 1s, like, when Jordan 1s are leather, obviously they crease beautifully, they look better beat up, but with this patent leather, they're not gonna look great. Like, this is like a shoe that, you're not gonna be able to wear this every day. This is definitely not an everyday shoe. This is like one of those, like, I don't know, maybe like a couple times a month you'll just whip this out. Plus this shoe is just loud. I'm not like, it's a loud shoe. It looks like a bomb popsicle, those firecracker popsicle things that you can buy at the store. I should have bought one. I just went to the store actually. I should have bought one just to compare the video. But anyways, black tongue with white and red Nike Air on the tongue. Let's see what else. Black Nike swoosh, like I said, all patent leather. I mean, you guys see it. It's not a bad shoe in person. Red outsole on both the shoes, as you can see. So I think they did a good job. Like I said, I would prefer leather. Obviously, if these were leather, I'd probably be way more inclined to keep them, just because I think just leather just ages better. I mean, patent leather looks cool, but like I said, the aging is like a big thing. And once you wear these a few times, they're just not going to look as good as they once did. But yeah, I like Nike putting effort into these, like giving us all the other stuff to go with it. It would have been interesting if they would have used this concept on a different shoe other than Air Jordan 1. I'm not sure what it would really look good on though. Like maybe like Air Jordan 4 or maybe like Air Jordan 5, something like that. But yeah, they could have done many different things with this, but it's not bad what they did. I'm not mad at it. I mean, it's a pretty sharp looking shoe. You get the best of both worlds, Carolina and Chicago. Now, quality on these is pretty good. I did have a scuff mark on this toe cap on this part right here. There was a scuff mark. They weren't as bad as the Shattered Backboards. So if you guys watch my Shattered Backboard video, I did mention that Shattered Backboards came with a lot of glue marks. Well, at least my pair did. However, I got those off of Crep Protect, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But yeah, these are actually pretty good. There's not a lot of marks on there. I mean, there's like some small tiny marks, but that's like expected, so I'm not gonna be mad at that. So yeah, let's just compare these real quick to the Shattered Backboard 3.0s, and there's your comparison. So you guys let me know which one you guys like the most. Now I will say, like I said, if you guys watch the Shattered Backboard video, I'm a sucker for orange and black. Like, I just love it. Orange and black together on sneakers. Now these both look super good, like in person, like when I'm looking at them right now. The one thing I will have to say, like I mentioned the patent leather creasing. Now since the Shattered Backboard 3.0 is like crumble patent leather, it's not going to look as bad because it looks like it's already pre-creased. So I guess you won't have to worry about the patent leather looking bad because like I said, it's already crumbled up. So it's going to go well with the shoe. This one on the other hand, like I mentioned, doesn't have that crumbled patent leather. This is straight patent leather. But yeah, you guys let me know. Right now I'm leaning towards the Shattered Backboard. Now resale on these is actually tanking. I know like you can get these for like $200 on StockX right now. So if you guys want these, if you guys took an L, I think a lot of people got them though. Talking about the Fearless, I think a lot of people were able to cop these for retail. But if you weren't, I would recommend buying them now because I do see this shoe going up in price. I just feel like this is going to be one of those unicorn Jordan 1s that a lot of people slept on. And then 6 months later, this is going to be like a $400 shoe. It kind of reminds me of the Homage to Holmes, because when the Homage to Holmes dropped, I know that's kind of different because that's a leather shoe, and that leather on there is really good from what I heard. So it's different material, but the Homage to Holmes kind of got like a bad rap when they came out, and they were like going for the same prices as these, like right when they dropped. And then all of a sudden, 6 months later, I looked at the price and they're sitting at like $400. So I could see a similar difference with similarities with these, especially because it's kind of got like that same like half and half vibe. You guys know what the Homage Homes are like. If you don't, look them up. But yeah, so I could see these kind of shooting up in price. But yeah, that's the video for today. I will have a video again dropping tomorrow. Got something else coming in from Nike ID, so stay on the lookout for that one. Now, you guys let me know in the comments below which ones you guys like more, the Shattered Backboard 3.0 or the Air Jordan 1 High Fearless. You guys let me know which one you guys are feeling. And yeah, please hit that like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.